I'm making this video out here so everybody really understands how bad Hostinger support is and why you need to really be careful to back everything up. Make sure that you know what you're getting into with this Hostinger VPS managed OpenClaw setup. So probably spent a good 40 hours so far on my OpenClaw setup and their one-click setup that they say that they can do for you. I couldn't even find a help or live chat on their support like they tell you. They have something called Cody, which is AI, which is horrible. I had to dig for an email, and I've literally been going back and forth with them for 2 days about different issues, saying they don't support Gemini 2.5, and then it's hard coded inside about Gemini 2.0, and now they're saying they do. Their support is just god awful. I mean, just look at the responses I get from this lady. They told me to basically go in and delete some sort of script. Now, I'm not a programmer at all. I was in school for computer science, changed my major to music and business. I do Facebook ads, I play piano, I produce music, been doing marketing for 15 years, but I do not know much about programming or any of that. I'm just getting into it and learning the terminal all over again. But, I have a good understanding of it. But, the AI is pretty good at telling us what we need to do. Now, so if you take a look here, this lady told me to run this pseudo script, okay, because the OpenClaw didn't have enough permissions or something. And basically what happened was I was in the middle of talking with OpenClaw multiple things, and he just reverted and said, hey, I don't know, what are you talking about? And I'm like, wait, what? After I ran this script, and it was just so funny to see, like, he just forgot everything that I said. And I'm like, hey, you just forgot that we're talking about GHL and setting it up. However, to be clear, I'm not integrated with Go High Level API. I wasn't given any keys. What integration are you talking about? And we were just been going back for like 2 hours trying to set it up. He said, I don't have a Go High Level API key. Perhaps you're thinking of a different conversation or task. It was pretty crazy. I think there might be an understanding. Can you clarify that I'm supposed to work with GHL? My focus is more on strategy, and I'm like, what are you talking about? I can't, as I don't have access to your personal accounts. You need to log in to your GHL. It was like talking to a whole different person, and I said, hey, back to our tasks. Oh, I see. Back to our email tasks later on that. What else can you do for GHL? He said, what can you do? I said, is it set up? Mark, I can't tell if your GHL account is set up right now because as AI, I don't have integration. It was just really crazy to see. So, Hostinger, I completely understand your frustration losing your environment file, wiped all your integrations of skill, making it behave like a new bot, leading to actual deletion of your... And look at this. That was not my intention. Intention? Well, intention is spelled with a T-I-O-N, not a S-I-O-N. Mary. So I don't know what country their support is in. It has been crazy. They told me to run this script here, the Suno Nano, and basically, and I had said, hey, what's going on? And I said, I think I want a refund. So I don't know if they purposely tried to, delete all my files or what. But yeah, after that, after I ran this script, OpenClaw was brand new. So you got to be careful with what you're getting yourself into with this stuff. I don't think people really understand. I don't think that they really are caring too much about the support at all. They're just jumping on the bandwagon, being like, hey, here's this one-click OpenClaw setup. But be careful what you get into. If I wasn't already so deeply invested in it, I probably would have went with something else at this point. Alright, well, hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.